China-Malaysia Railway officially opened, Pan-Asia Central Line, only Singapore is missing the last piece of the puzzle. The China-Malaysia Railway was officially opened, and the official opening of the railway means one of the important achievements of China's One Belt, One Road initiative. It also marks the in-depth development of China's railway construction in overseas markets. However, such a railway line is still incomplete. After all, Singapore is the only missing piece of the Pan-Asia Central Line to complete the last piece of the puzzle. In this video, let us learn more about it. The China-Malaysia Railway is also known as the East Coast Railway. The China-Malaysia Railway is an important cooperation between China and Malaysia's railway construction. It starts from Kota Bharu on the border between Malaysia and Thailand and ends in Kuala Lumpur, with a total length of 688 kilometers. The China-Malaysia Railway adopts China Railway's National Class 1 passenger and freight dual-use standard electrified railway. Its design standards, speed, railway type, etc. are similar to those of high-speed railways in mainland China. The design speed of passenger trains is 160 km per hour and the design speed of freight trains is 80 km per hour, which is more than twice the speed of Malaysia's existing railways. It will greatly enhance Malaysia's railway transportation capacity and further promote regional economic development. The completion and opening of the China-Malaysia Railway will also bring closer exchanges and cooperation between China and Malaysia and strengthen the friendly cooperative relations between the two countries. According to relevant statistics, approximately $5.5 billion was invested in this railway construction investment. The construction of the China-Malaysia Railway is one of the important achievements under China's One Belt, One Road initiative. In November 2016, during Chinese President Xi Jinping's visit to Malaysia, the two sides jointly announced the construction plan of the China-Malaysia Railway. And this plan has received support from the Malaysian government and has become an important project for cooperation between the two countries. Therefore, during the railway construction process, China Railway Engineering Group also became the main contractor. In response to this project, the Malaysian government provided corresponding land and financial support. Malaysia is one of the countries in Southeast Asia that lags behind in railway construction. The China-Malaysia Railway has very high strategic significance. To this day, the China-Laos-Thailand Malaysia railway train is in operation. The significance of this railway construction is extraordinary, and the central line of the Pan-Asian Railway runs through it. Full-range railway trains refer to trains from China to Southeast Asian countries. They are all transported by rail and do not need to be transferred at sea. In September 2021, the first full-distance railway train from Laos and Thailand to Malaysia successfully arrived at the station, marking that the China-Laos-Thailand and Singapore-Malaysia-Thailand railways have basically been connected, leaving only the last piece of the puzzle to reach Singapore. The China-Laos-Thailand Railway connects Kunming, China and Vientiane, the capital of Laos, with a total length of 845 kilometers. The Singapore-Malaysia-Thailand Railway starts from Padang, a city in northern Thailand, runs south through Thailand and Malaysia, and ends at the port of Kedah on the west coast of Malaysia, with a total length of 1,416 kilometers. The advantage of the full-distance railway train is that transportation time, transportation cost and transportation safety are more advantageous than traditional river-sea combined transportation. The entire transportation time is about 13 days, which is reduced by more than 40% compared with traditional river-sea combined transportation. The opening of the full railway train marks the completion of the China-Laos-Thailand and Singapore-Malaysia-Thailand railways, which will greatly facilitate trade and personnel travel in the countries along the route in the future. The China-Laos-Thailand Railway and the Singapore-Malaysia-Thailand Railway are important links in the Pan-Asian Railway. The area they pass through is the planned central line of the Pan-Asian Railway, connecting China, Southeast Asian countries and South Asian countries. The China-Malaysia railway line is not just a railway line, it also has a great influence on China and Malaysia. The first is the impact on China. It will promote the going out of China's railway industry. The rapid development of China's railway construction has become an important force in the world's railway construction. By participating in the China-Malaysia Railway project, Chinese railway companies can export their technology and experience to overseas markets, improve their international competitiveness, and strengthen ties with the international market. In addition, Chinese railway companies can also improve their technical and management levels by participating in overseas railway construction. It will also strengthen China's connectivity with Southeast Asian countries. The China-Malaysia Railway connects the railway networks of China and Southeast Asian countries and is of great significance in promoting regional economic integration and trade exchanges. The railway can strengthen trade exchanges between China and Malaysia and in this way promote economic cooperation between the two parties. The second is the impact on Malaysia. The first is to promote Malaysia's economic development. The construction of the China-Malaysia Railway can promote Malaysia's economic development. Railway construction can increase employment opportunities, improve people's living standards, and promote economic growth. In addition, the opening of the railway can also promote trade between Malaysia and China, thereby increasing the region's export revenue. The second is to improve Malaysia's traffic conditions. Malaysia is one of the transportation hubs in Southeast Asia, and traffic conditions have an important impact on its economic development. However, Malaysia's traffic situation has always been unsatisfactory and it lacks an efficient railway transportation system. Through the construction of the China-Malaysia Railway, Malaysia's traffic conditions can be improved and the efficiency and quality of railway transportation can be improved. China and Malaysia have reached a consensus on the China-Malaysia community with a shared future, and are willing to continue to make good use of the China-Singapore Bilateral Cooperation Mechanism meeting platform, with New Zealand to strengthen the construction of the new land-sea corridor. In Singapore, the signing of the China-Singapore High-Speed Rail Agreement in 2015 was also a landmark event in the cooperation between the two countries. The relationship between China and Singapore has been upgraded to a comprehensive, high-quality and forward-looking partnership. The two parties will further strengthen cooperation and promote the progress of major infrastructure construction projects, such as the China-Singapore High-Speed Railway. The Malaysian Transport Minister also made it clear that Malaysia is considering restarting the Malaysia-Singapore High-Speed Rail project. If this project is restarted, it will provide new opportunities and platforms for China-Malaysia and China-Singapore railway cooperation. The China-Malaysia Railway is an important link in the Pan-Asian Railway, and its opening can inject new impetus into the development of the Pan-Asian Railway. The Trans-Asian Railway is an important railway network connecting countries in Asia. A large number of railway lines have been built, but there are still some breakpoints that hinder regional railway connectivity. Through the construction of the China-Malaysia Railway, the South China Sea breakpoint of the Pan-Asian Railway can be filled, further strengthening railway connections between Asian countries and promoting regional economic cooperation and trade. In addition, the construction of the Pan-Asian Railway can also promote cultural exchanges and personnel flows between China and Asian countries. Through railway connectivity, the flow of people between China and Asian countries will become more convenient and faster, promoting personnel exchanges, cultural integration, and friendly cooperation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.